7 of chapter 3. When Jalal went to Damascus to study, he passed by Cis and Upper Kilikya. There, in a cave, dwelt 40 Christian monks who had a great reputation for sanctity, but in reality were mere jugglers. On the approach of Jalal's caravan to the cave, the monks caused a little boy to ascend into the air, and there remain standing between heaven and earth. Jalal noticed this exhibition and fell into a reverie. Hereupon the child began to weep and wail, saying that the man in the reverie was frightening him. The monks told him not to be afraid, to come down. "Oh," cried the child, "I am as though nailed here, unable to move hand or foot." The monks became alarmed. They flocked around Jalal, begged him to release the child. After a time, he seemed to hear and understand them. His answer was, "Only through the acceptance of Islam by yourselves, all of you, as well as by the child, can he be saved." In the end, they all embraced Islam and wished to follow Jalal as his disciples. He recommended them, however, to remain in their cave as before, to cease from practicing jugglery, and to serve God in the spirit and in truth. So he proceeded on his journey. Now, is the word seher or evil magic or whatever term in like Farsi or something, is that the real word we're here? So that's the clarity. Oh, they're pious, and oh no, they're doing spirit work. But this coercing people into accepting in that sort of way, help people accept Islam if they don't accept Islam, and if you threaten them, their conversion isn't authentic in that way either. I mean, if they, you're supposed to accept it as authentic, but you can't expect it to be authentic or count for them. But Islam has already barred the doors.